Do you know that there is more than one type of body fat? Sounds strange, doesn't it? Is fat fat after all? If you look in the mirror and find something shaking, it's fat, right? Well, the fact is that scientists actually found more than one type of fat in your body, and what's really cool is that the amount of fat for each type actually gets older as you get older. In this article, we will discuss only two different types of fats: white fat and brown fat. Fat white tissue is often referred to as fat, which is the type of fat on the hips, buttocks, abdomen and thighs. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. This is the fat most people try to get rid of through diet and exercise. On the other hand, brown adipose tissue contains a higher concentration of so-called mitochondria, just like the miniature powerhouse in the human body. One of their functions is to burn fat and be used as energy. When this happens, the cells produce heat, which is the main reason why brown fat enters your body first. Since you are a baby, brown fat can provide a natural heating system for your body. This is why infants have a higher percentage of active brown fat cells. When they get cold, brown fat is activated to start burning fat tissues all over the body. Generate heat and heat them from within. Some people think that brown fat is only produced in newborns and disappears with age, but recent research shows that this is not the case, but in adults, brown fat baby just fell asleep and waited to be used. What if you can trigger the body's natural brown fat to start producing internal heat again? In this way, you can start to melt the excess fat covering the abdomen, hips, and thighs, and you have been working hard to lose weight for a long time. The biggest advantage is that you can easily and naturally activate this brown fat without any extra effort. Not only that, recent research also shows this technique, lower blood pressure detox body enhance immunity enhance your endocrine system to naturally balance hormones. This is all you need to do to light brown fat. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. First, start with a hot shower instead of a hot shower, and start the day, then at the end of the shower, slowly start to make the water cooler. When the water is very cool but not yet cold, just turn off the hot water completely, and then let the cold water flow gently on the shoulders, chest and back. Most of the brown fat reserves are here. Invigorate your body. It takes only 30 seconds to get the benefits of this activity, but you will find it so refreshing that you want to stay in cold water for a few minutes. Roll away from the shower to wipe yourself off and you will immediately feel that your body is different. Now, I will not assure you that this is a weight loss miracle therapy, but it can definitely help you burn more fat and at the same time rejuvenate the entire body inside and outside. Outer. Simple. Before deciding what is too extreme and crazy for you and whether you can wash it with cold water, let me explain why it is so good. Works. Brown fat works like a fast reaction force that can send a signal to your fat cells to produce heat when it's cold, right? Excess calories actually burn fat because it is used as the energy needed to keep warm. By standing under cold water, your brown fat cells are immediately activated in response to the signal that the body needs to heat up and start generating heat. This is why when you dive into the cold water of a lake or swimming pool, you initially feel that you are frozen, but after a minute or more, you do not even notice the cold. It's not that the water in the lake or swimming pool has become hot. Your body responds only by triggering the mitochondria of fat cells to generate internal heat, and the heart pumps the heat to the skin to warm you up. When this happens, your capillaries will open and the toxins will be flushed from the system, allowing oxygenated blood to circulate in your body, rejuvenating your organs, and energizing the glands of the endocrine system. Not only will you promote metabolism and fat burning, but it will also bring a real fuzziness that will make you feel refreshed and energized all day long. The best part is that you don't actually need any extra work. Simple, right? Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.